What if I told you that your brain is rigged against successful trading? Not because you're stupid, not because you haven't studied enough, but because you're human. Top traders don't just have better setups, they think differently. And it's not luck, it's not experience, it's psychology. And more importantly, the ability to rewire their psychology when it matters most. In this video, I'll take you through 3 deeply researched, science-backed mindsets that elite traders share. Mindsets that protect them in chaos, that keep them grounded through fear, that help them recover from huge losses and stay consistent. These aren't feel-good slogans, these are psychological upgrades. And by the end of this video, if you're open, you might just start to think differently too. Let's start here. Most traders don't lose because they're undisciplined or unmotivated. They lose because they never learn how to manage their emotional volatility. Let me give you an all too real example. Meet Chris. He's been trading for 18 months. Technicals are solid. He journals every trade. But every time he hits a red streak, it wrecks him. He loses confidence. He hesitates. Then he revenge trades. He knows what to do, but he can't get his mind to cooperate. That's the trap. You're not fighting the market. You're fighting your own biology. Mindset number 1. I am not my trades. Humans naturally link identity with performance. In psychology, this is called ego attachment. It's when losing $500 on a trade feels like a personal failure, even if it was a smart play. This is dangerous in trading because losses are part of the game, not a reflection of your worth. Brain scans actually show that the same area activated during physical pain lights up during financial loss. That means losing money literally hurts. Eric hits 3 red trades in a row. His setups were fine, but market conditions shifted. Instead of stepping back, he spirals. He tells himself, I suck. He hides from the chart for 2 days, then comes back with over-leveraged revenge trades, and he loses again. It's not because Eric lacks skill, it's because he thought the losses meant he was a loser. Now picture a prop firm trader named Liv. She loses $2,200 in a single morning, calmly marks it in her journal, loss number 38, followed plan, news catalyst disrupted price structure, no errors. She goes on a walk, resets, comes back the next day, no hesitation. Liv doesn't tie her identity to her outcome. She ties it to her process. That's what frees her. Mindset number 2, process over outcome. Studies in behavioral psychology show that the brain is wired for reward-based conditioning. You win, dopamine. You lose, stress. But in trading, this makes you reward bad decisions and punish good ones. You might size up on a random scalp and win, and this causes you to think that the behavior is okay. Or you follow your plan, take a small loss, and feel like a failure. This is called outcome bias. Danny backtests a breakout strategy, 68% win rate over 100 trades. Clear rules, she takes a perfect setup on Thursday. It loses, so she tweaks the strategy on Friday. Now she's no longer following her edge. She's chasing outcomes. 3 months later, her results are inconsistent and her confidence is wrecked, not because the strategy failed, but because her mindset couldn't handle the short-term loss. Now picture Mark. Every day he grades his trades on 3 things. 1, did I follow the rules? 2, did I size correctly? And 3, did I react emotionally? He celebrates perfect process trades, win or lose. Over 100 trades, that mindset compounds. That's how you build an edge, by tracking execution, not just results. Now real quick, before the final mindset, I want to thank the sponsor of today's video, Ironbeam.
Welcome to Ironbeam, the future of futures trading. With our cutting-edge chart trading feature and 300 plus indicators, you can now trade directly off the chart anytime, anywhere. Delivering seamless trading across all platforms, the Ironbeam journey is supported by 24-hour trader support, low day trade margins, and no account minimums. Ironbeam brings the future into the present. Join now and augment your trading experience.
Okay, let's finish strong. Mindset number 3. Uncertainty is fuel, not fear. Neuroscience shows that the uncertainty triggers the amygdala, the fear center of your brain. That fear often turns into overthinking, hesitation, or impulsive action. But in markets, certainty is a myth. The best traders learn to make decisions inside uncertainty and manage risk, not outcome. Jesse sees a clean setup. Price is coiling. He thinks he should take it, but what if it's a fake out? He hesitates, then the trade rips. Without him, he panics, jumps in late, gets stopped out. Now he's frustrated, and the next time a setup comes, he's paralyzed. Jesse isn't losing because of bad charts. He's losing because he can't act inside of uncertainty. Elite traders flip the script. They expect uncertainty. They use stop losses, size correctly, and remind themselves, my job isn't to be certain. My job is to make decisions based on probability. They lean into chaos with structure. And over time, that mindset becomes armor. When you shift from fear to understanding, from emotion to execution, from ego to probability, something changes. Trading starts to feel less random. Not easier, but more centered. The market will always be uncertain. The only thing you can control is how you think inside of it. So which of these mindsets hits you the hardest? What's detaching from your trades, focusing on process over results, or leaning into uncertainty? Drop it in the comments. I read every single comment. And if you want more mindset plus strategy breakdowns like this, hit the subscribe button. We've got new videos every single week. No fluff, no hype, just what actually works. Stay sharp, stay grounded, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.